Hello, developers community. Welcome back to Pankaj Dobria's Tech channel. If you want to learn the nopCommerce and .NET Core tutorial, subscribe the channel, Pankaj Dobria's Tech channel. In the last video, we learned about how to create a plugin of shipment that will show a charges through the settings. In this video, I will explain you how to create a multiple options in the shipment. So in the same plugins, you will create multiple options with different charges that will be useful for the e-commerce market. So let's move to the code. I will explain you how to create multiple options in the same plugin. Okay, here is our code. Uh, this one is our last plugin that we build about the shipping by postcode. Uh, let's start with that as well to continue. Firstly, if we want to create a multiple options with different prices, then we require to create a domains, and inside the domains that will be need to be put some informations. Okay, so I have already written a domain and everything will be there. So I will be just copies this domain as well. I can explain you all the parts of that. So here I have created a shipping option by postcode. The fields its name, display order, the price, and his actives will be there. Okay, once the domain is there, then first part is that we need to put the migrations and the mappings will be there. So here I have already also in the last video that's I will be also showing you about the migrations and the mappings as well. So let's put first migrations as well. I will be put the migrations file over here. So here is our migrations files that will be updated. Let's put just a small updates on this. This will be our migrations tables will be created at the startup plugins. Okay. The next part is the models that we will be create. Okay. These are all three models that will be inside the nopCommerce and the models. Okay, so the most important model is over here, this one, like the name, display order, price, and active, and this will be inherited with the base entity. The simple models that will be we are just doing a simple insert, update, and delete about the shipping options. So that will be a list option and the search will be nothing as an options. Okay, then after I will be prepare the services. So let's put it over here in the services. So here I have prepared the services for it. This will the list, preparing the list, active list will be there. This will paginations for the admin side. This will get by ID, insert, update, and delete. Just simple services will be there. Inside that, just nothings will be there. The repository will be called and repository will be inserted. So simples will be there. Then after the view pages. So let's put inside the view, and here is the view pages also added. Okay, now this will be event consumer, that's we can put it inside the infrastructures, and here is event consumer, that will be showing a menu that's under the Pankaj Doveri, as you can see a shipping options. Okay, that will be a shipping title is there, and inside the shipping you can see shipping options. uh, then after this will be a builders will be there, this will be migrations, and here is the builders. So I'll be put it this builders that will be used to create a tables with the fields, the name with not nullable, price with not nullable, display orders not nullable, and is active with the booleans. Okay, then after this one is the controller. So let's put it inside here the controller and the validators. So here is the validators. I can put it over here, the validators as well. Okay, so this will be all enough. Now the main part is over here, the controllers. That's I will be put it at validations for admin panel. The checkpoints is for the shipping settings will be available. Rather than the normal methods, the list will be showing as paginations, create, create post methods, update, and update post method, and the deletion as well. Okay, so all the methods will be put it over here. All the codes that I will be explaining, and I will also put all this code in the GitHub repository so you can download any times as well. Now I have added all the codes and just need to be check over here in the infrastructure startup. Just need to be check. Here it is, a service dot add scope. Okay, add scope. First I shipping option postcode by service and shipping options postcode service. Okay, so this needs to be as injections will be ready. Now our shipments will be ready and just need to be verify this view that we are copying over here, postcode configuration, where we put the view. I put mistakenly over here, but it's need to be over here. So here all the views will be there about the shipment methods, and just we need to be check on the properties that will be do not copy. Instead of it we can set as newer or copy always. Okay, now let's save this and just build the plugin. Build success. Let's run the project. Project is run successfully. Now let's log into the admin. Go to the admin. Here I can see the options for shipment and the shipping options. I can see the blank list over here. Add new shipping. I can say option 1, the price is 100, display order 1 and is active. Save, add new, option 2, price 150, display order 2 and active. I can put the second option, option 3, 200, display order 3 and so I can add three options. Options 1 that is 100 price, option 2 200 price, option 3 and 200 price. Okay, so here once I will be going to the checkout page, shipping, and here we need to show the options. Okay, these all options. So let's do this way. Close all these tabs from the main files that we need to be open the plugins over here, and on the last video I'll show you that's how we will be creating an options over here. Okay, so here we have getting shipping charges from the settings, and this will be transit days will be as well. So we need to get the shipping options from the tables. So first we will create a private read only shipping conjunction red method is not required, but shipping option by postcode service will be there. Okay, this service will be available. Let's add here shipping option service and the initializations as well. Okay, so service is injected. now we will be get all service. Well, shipping option, that will be get all shipping options active. Okay, so here we just need to be wait. Okay, and here we will be returning only active methods. Okay, so this is okay. Now here we will be put that conditions like a shipping options dot any, then only this will be added. Okay, so now we can put a for loop about shipping options and this methods inside the shipping options. Okay, this will be named as a fixed, so you can put it as an item dot name. Okay, a description is nothing, so you can put a description as blank. Okay, or you can put as red. Here is the rate item dot price. This will be our rate and transit date. Okay, so once you are creating a multiple shipping options and insert of the delete, you can also put a two additional fields over here like a description and the transit day as well. Okay, so it will be showing as expected. Now over here we can show to that. Yes, we need to do with dot query of query dot order by x of x display order. Okay, so in the front end side, whatever we will be doing the first, whatever is last, it will be showing based on that. And this shipping options will be written. This is all okay. Now we can just build the code again. Let's run the code. Okay, let's go to the checkout. There is something an error. Constructor not found in all dependency statistics. Okay, so the no mistakes over here is need to be iSource. Let's build this again. Check out. We got to checkout, and here we can show the options with 100, option 2 with 150, option 3 with 200. Now let's go to the admin. Here our shipping options. We can edit shipping option 3 and put it at 0 as an index. Okay, so this will be showing over here as a first. Now I'll be going from back to again here. So option 3 will be visible over here. If I will be putting this as we are not showing, so just will be active false. If I'll be back and over here, I can show two options. Okay, with the options 1, I can select continue, and over here you can see the shipping methods is an options. Okay, and here you can see the shipping charges as well calculated with 100. Orders will be confirmed. Order details, you can show the shipping options will be an options, and here the shipping charges will be calculated as 100. Now you can go to the admin orders. On the sales order, the orders that we placed on the last, you can check over here. The shipping amounts will be 100. That will be, and the shipping options will be selected as over here. So this will be useful when we have a multiple shipping charges with the different selections to give a customers will be there. So that's simple. If you have any kind of questions, you can put it in the comments. So this is all about the shipping plugin. That you can create a multiple shipping options. That's whatever you require. As a user, as an admin users, or as a developer, you can think about the process. Like if store owners want to provide a multiple options on how you can create, this video is very helpful to you. That's how to build a multiple shipping options that you will be provided. As I show you, that you can also implement it with the transit days. You can once you have passed the transit days will be there. It will be showing that this will be as a 5 days. This will be a 2 days. This will be a 10 days to deliveries will be there. And this is a complete implementations of the shipping plugin. For the next video, I will show you that this shipping options will be visible based on the shipping postcode. That will be most important as well in our shipping market. So stay tuned on the video, subscribe the channel if you still not subscribed, and all the links will be available on my bio. You can see most our videos are available for the nopCommerce. And if you have any kind of questions about the nopCommerce configurations, how to build, you can ask me in DM or post a comments. I will be stay tuned. Thank you very much.